Okay, I built this greenhouse. Oh, first, if you want the best program for trading stocks, check out DDAmanda.com. And if you want to find out all about girls, we spent 2 years researching and trying everything. CompleteGirlGuide.com. Okay, I built this greenhouse. I'm going to have another video on that. But I found out it's hot here, and I needed a swamp cooler or some way to cool it. I was going to buy one of those little ones, and then I decided I'd just make one, because those little ones you got to fill up. So anyway, first thing I did was build this box. Now that's what always screws up on a swamp cooler, is the part that holds the water. And it's all based off of this panel here. And I like these because they just slide up and drop down. So the measurements of the box were made to where this will fit right in here, okay? And then this lip will rest on the glass. So those are your dimensions, whatever they are, okay? So that was the start. We built the box. And then we had to build a frame around it, okay? So the first thing I did was bend this piece. Oh, I'm using bed frames. Bed frames is #1 steel. It's really good steel. So anyway, I bent this to where this will fit. It'll slide in and fit in here, okay? It just slides right in. And then I had to cut some off of this angle iron here. This is all bed frame. Just my welding sucks, but I don't care. It works. And just built this. First I built this frame in the front here. And then the back one. So this is just going to screw right up against the wood here. Okay, and then I just used a street sign, aluminum street sign. I think it said speed limit 25 miles an hour. And you just drill holes and just attach it with self-tapping to hold it all together. And okay, the way this slides in, I had to build this little thing right here to where the panel, it'll just slide right up in there, and then it'll drop down onto the glass. Okay, that's how that works. And now I can paint it. Now that I showed you guys all the construction details, the measurements are going to depend on what you do. Oh, there's a piece of a swamp cooler that puts the water in. I just bolted it to that. You see that? And then there's going to be a pond pump in here, and the whole thing is going to be on a thermostat. So anyway, that's it. It's kind of cool. I can't wait to see how it works. Oh, and the thing that makes it work is on the inside I just got a box fan, okay? That's what's going to pull the air in. And the way a swamp cooler works, in case you don't know, is this aspen in here, the water drips through it, and because of evaporation it gets cold. It cools off. So the water just comes out of this and keeps circulating until this water's cool. And the cooler the water is coming down here, it just gets cooler and cooler. The air going through gets cooled, okay? And that's how these things work. Alright, I think that's it. Check out DDAmanda and the CompleteGirlGuide.com. Okay, bye, that's it.